Hi, I'm Andrew Stevenson, and in today's video I'm going to show you my KDP earnings and sales from February 2023. Now, to begin with, I just want to mention something a bit technical about the video. I'm using a new microphone to record the sound. This is a Tascam DR10L, a little lapel mic. Normally I use my big Scarlett Focusrite, but I'm having a little bit of bother with the microphone, so if the quality is different or worse, I apologise and I'll try and sort it for next time. But on to the meat of the video. So these are the orders I received. 29 in February. I'm not disappointed with that. You know I said for the last 2 months that I was going to be better at KDP and put out more books and do more research, yada yada yada, but I haven't. I did release a book today. It's a Would You Rather book. It took a long time to do, but I've done it now. Hopefully that'll be the creative spur that I need. I'm going to try and do more high content books or higher content books like that. But if I've got to make notepads to try and get us back in the mood, then I'll do that as well. So 29 orders, and here are the books that sold. So out of that 29, only 2, 3, 4 were not these craft paper pads. Now I will stick a link in the description on how I made these books, but if you're new to the channel, basically these craft paper pad books are the most popular books I sell. Normally it's the steampunk that's top of the list, but for some reason this coffee lover one has been selling well recently. I'm not going to complain. This Art Deco book I made a while ago. It took a long time to make, so I'm glad to see it is selling occasionally. Not as many sales as I would like, but that is the way things are. And this Tradwife notebook is literally just a lined journal. I've sold a few of those recently. Don't know why. Now this book I've got priced quite low. I think maybe it's $5.99, maybe a bit less, $5.49. That's pounds. So that's probably why this is selling a little bit better than the steampunk one. This one I sell for $6.99, and I normally get about £2 profit in the UK. So I'll be looking at £18 for these 9 books. But the fact that the majority have sold in the US and Canada, I think it's going to be quite a bit less. That's the problem sometimes with earning money in different currencies and then getting it converted. It does bite into your profits, especially with the way things are fluctuating at the minute. So let's go and have a look at how much money I made. So $34.74 on average, a little over £1 a book. Again, £1 for something that I haven't really touched for a long time. I released a few appointment books and planners late last year, but that was it. And as I said in the last income report video, there'll be no appointment books selling in February, and I am unfortunately correct. Didn't sell a single one, but that's the nature of seasonal books. A few more might trickle out, 1 or 2, but certainly nowhere near the volume that we're shifting in November, December and January. So there we go, $14.35. And yep, £2 in UK for 1 book. So £12.20 for the remaining 8. So it's not great, but it all adds up. And that was, again, let's have a quick look actually. So for the coffee book, I sold 2 in the UK, making £1 a piece on them. And in the US, 7, making $1 a piece on them. And only 68 pence from Canada. So that's something that needs to be looked at. It's all fine and dandy pricing them up when you publish them, but things change. The value of the pound drops or rises. You've got to be on top of it to make sure you're still getting your full amount of profit. Again, down here, sold one copy of that, made £1.48. One copy of the Art Deco book, made £1.29. In an ideal world, I would make £1.50, £2 a book, whatever that is in dollars. Nearly $2.50 in dollars, something like that. It's just something that you can easily forget about, but if you keep an eye on it, then you can make sure your profits maintain or go up. Things are going up all the time, so add an extra dollar on a book probably isn't going to surprise anyone, but it could help putting your royalties in a better place. So like I say, I have released a new book, Would You Rather. Hopefully I'll get some sales this month and I'll be able to tell you all about them next month. So thanks for watching. Please do like, comment and subscribe to the channel. It really does help me out and I do appreciate every single one of yous. In the description are links to videos on how to make all of the books I've sold. Plus I did do one on the Would You Rather book, so I'll put that in the description as well. Thanks for watching and I shall see you next time.